Welcome back guys, thank you very much for joining me. Today we're looking at a very simple job. Say if you've lost jewellery, rings, money, whatever, screws, anything down a plug hole in your sink, we're looking at how to clean your waste or retrieve it. So the first thing you must do is cut the water off, obviously. And then we'll go on to show you in a second of how to remove the one that's in place here. I'll show you a demonstration. But first we're just going to look at different traps. Now, this is a slightly different trap. It's a U-trap. You've got it like so, that goes on there. That'll be on the bottom of the sink and that'll be on the outlet of the pipe. All we're going to do is undo this nut here and this nut here. Bearing in mind that the water will come out, obviously. That will drop off, that'll stay on the pipework and you empty it out like so. Very easy. Now the reason I'm saying these is because I've had quite a few calls lately to do these very simple tasks. You've got to remember that maybe not everybody is as mechanically minded as you and me, but the average Joe who maybe specialises in a different area might not have a clue how to do this, and my recent jobs lists prove this. So I'm just trying to save you a little bit of money for such an easy, simple task, really. Also, you may be fortunate enough to have what's called a bottle trap, like so, which is just a case of undoing this here, unscrewing it, and that's it. Drops out. Some click, so you may have like a 2-click lock on it and it will just drop off, which is even more easier. But what we'll do is now we'll go down to the sink and I'll show you a demonstration of it in place. So what we've got here, as you can see, this is your regular sink waste. It goes round here, U-bends up and through the waste. Now this is obviously off the dishwasher, washing machine and so on. But this disconnects here and then another connection here, which obviously loops onto the outlet pipe. So what we're going to do is get a bowl. It might be wise to put a towel down as well, but we should be okay doing this. There might not be anything that comes out. And we're just going to undo these mechanical fittings and we're going to get some drips of water that come out, like so. I'm trying to do it one-handed so you can see. Well, hey. But there you go, look, as you can see it loops round. And all we're going to do is drop this off. Like that. I always say put a bowl down because taking care not to lose your washers. And there you go, a nice clean trap there as well. So it's always good practice to clean your sinks. When putting these back on guys, make sure that the washers are in place because if not it will leak like you've never seen it before and they can be quite fiddly, I will warn you. Any traps that is. Screw them back on one-handed. Like so. I will make a point of saying, and this may be fairly obvious to some people, but you'd be very much surprised, when the trap is off and the bowl is full of water, do not pour the water back into the sink because it will just come out the open end of the pipework. Straight all over your nice inner kitchen cupboard. And that's it guys, you've cleaned the trap out. Very easy, very easy. Well, I hope this gives you an insight. The reason I've done this video is because, as I mentioned before, I have had quite a few jobs recently where people have called up because of dropped rings, jewellery, whatever it may be, and they've paid me to come out and do something so simple as that. So, thank you very much for watching, guys. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video.